6 steaks, 6 ways. Steak, cream cheese and talkie, cream cheese and take. Fire. The crunch is incredible. I love the kick. 10. Steak, cottage cheese, and mustard. Cottage cheese and mistake. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's really good. 10. Steak, honey and butter, honey and bake. What? Why is that so good? Wow, that might have just been the best one. That tastes like a delicacy. 10. Steak, fried egg, fried egg. Pretty good. Honestly, doesn't compare to the other ones though. It's a classic combo. 6. Steak, peanut butter and banana, peanut butter and bake. No. I'm so sorry. 0. That was so gross. Anyway, moving on. Steak, funyun, funyake. Ow. I like that. It's giving fried onion with some steak. Delicious. 9.5.